So hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or delete account in Metamask. So to do this is pretty simple. Say that you don't want your account in Metamask anymore. Let's just say you made it for demonstration purposes or so. So here I have two accounts, my main and my second account, which is just useless for crying out loud. All you have to do is go to the bottom right corner, settings, head on to security and privacy, and then you'll have to scroll to the very bottom of MetaMask. And then here, you will see delete wallet. So here, if you're deleting your wallet, your current wallet accounts and assets will be removed from the app permanently. So this action cannot be undone unless you have your recovery phrase, your secret recovery phrase that MetaMask won't have any control of, and anyone won't even have any control of, only you. So you must back it up first. If you do decide to get it on, do it later and access this account again. And there you go. So you can delete your MetaMask account basically. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.